Number 1 incline dumbbell curl. Primarily target the bicep brachii. To perform, set the bench in inclined position with dumbbell in both hands and sit with back supported. With control form, arms hanging straight down, bringing the dumbbell to shoulder and hold it for 1 second. Squeeze the bicep muscle and keeping the upper arm stable. Slowly bringing the dumbbell downward and stretch the bicep muscle. It is a much better exercise to train the bicep muscle than standing dumbbell curl. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 2 incline dumbbell curl crusher. You can perform this exercise better with dumbbell than with easy bar. Lean down on an incline bench with dumbbell in your head and hold the dumbbell above your head, keeping your arms completely straight. Then bending the elbow, lower the dumbbell toward your temple and squeeze the tricep muscle, bringing the dumbbell upward until your entire arm is straight. During this entire movement, maintain focus on the tricep muscle. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with control weight. Number 3 easy bar curl. Strengthen the hand grip and target the bicep and forearm muscle. Stand holding the easy bar with both hands with an underhand grip. You should select a plate of the same weight in which your form remains correct without jerking the body. Whenever you lift the bar toward the shoulder, squeeze the bicep muscle and slowly lower the bar with control form. While performing this, keep your elbow close to the body and hand forward. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Number 4 rope push down. Rope push down is an excellent exercise to improve the size of the entire tricep muscle and maintaining a good pump in the tricep muscle. Attach the rope cable to the upper lock of the cable machine and stand facing the machine holding the rope cable with both hands. Keeping your core engaged and knees slightly bent, close your elbow to your body and pull your rope cable downward until your triceps are properly squeezed. Then after holding for 1 second, bringing the rope cable to the starting position. Perform 4 sets and 12 to 15 reps. Number 5 seated dumbbell hammer curl. Target the brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. Performing while sitting, keep your body stable compared to standing, and you are now able to train your bicep muscle better. Sit on the bench with back supported and hold the dumbbell in both hands with neutral grip. Curl the dumbbell toward your shoulder with your plumage facing inward. Then stretch the bicep and forearms muscle, slowly bringing the dumbbell to the starting position. Do 3 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions with same correct form. Number 6 bench dips. A great bodyweight exercise to train the tricep muscle. It also targets the chest and shoulder muscle. Sit at the edge of the bench, holding the edge with hands wider than shoulder width apart, and you extend your legs in front of you. Bending your elbow, lower your body until your shoulder is below the elbow, and then while controlling the speed, bringing the body upward with the right movement, and then squeeze the tricep muscle. Do 3 sets and 10 to 15 reps.